Hello everyone, let us discuss image attributes in HTML. So to discuss that, we will create an image with img. So this is the image tag. So now you have to add the image path. To add the image path, we have to give src attribute. So src equal to, so our image which I am going to add is in images folder. So the folder name images slash a to n banner dot png. So this is the image name and this is the extension. So now let us refresh the page. So guys, now you guys see by default, we got this much width and height of the image. So now, for example, in some cases, if you want to reduce or increase the size of the image, we can use a width and height attributes. So now let us add here width and height attributes. So now, for example, I give width equal to some 600. Okay. So let us refresh the page. So now you guys see, we got this much size. So the width of this image is 600. See, whenever you give the width, okay, or height to any image, it will adjust proportionally. So based on the width, the height will be adjusted. But if you want to give specific height, so you can also use height attribute. Height equal to, suppose I give 700. Okay. So now save the page and refresh. So now you guys see the width of the image is 600 and height of the image is 700. Okay. So these are the width and height attributes for the image tag. So also we have added source attribute, which is used to give the image path. Now for the image, we can also use title attribute. Title equal to any value. For example, this is like a to n hyphen, banner is there, the image name. So let us give the title a to n banner. It is not depends on the file name. It is completely depends on the what is the image about. Okay. So the value we should give about the image. Okay. It should describe about the image. So now let us refresh the page. So whenever we use the title, how it works? You have to mouse over on the element. Hover on this image. You can see here a to n banner. So that is the value of title. Okay. So whenever the user mouse overs on the element, whatever the value is there inside the title attribute, that will be displayed in the browser. Okay. So that is about title attribute. Now for the image, we can also give alt attribute. So alt equal to, we can give here some value that also should describe about the image. Suppose a to n banner here. Okay, let us refresh the page. So we can't see anything in the output because alt attribute works in two cases. So one is, so alt describes about the image when the image path is wrong or when the image format is not supported by the browser. Okay, so this works in two conditions. When the image path is wrong. For example, you guys see here, what is the image path here? Images slash a to n banner dot png. So now, for example, if I change the image name to a to n banner 11, okay, and if I save this, now a to n banner 11 is not there inside our images folder. So it means the image path is wrong. So in this case, whatever the value we given in the alt attribute, it will display in the browser. So now you guys see here the image is not loading because image path is wrong. And in place of that, whatever the value we given inside the alt attribute, that is coming. The second thing is when the image format is not supported by the browser. For example, PNG. So this is the format of the image. There are some other formats also, like we have JPG, JPEG, and we have WebP. Okay, so that kind of formats, in some cases, in any browser, if it is not supporting, like for example, the browsers are old and not updated for a long time. Okay, so maybe some new formats may not support in that kind of browsers. In that case also, whatever the value we given inside the alt attribute, that will be coming in our output. Okay, so these are the main attributes of the image. So first of all, source, which is used to give the image path, and then width and height. Width and height attributes are used to increase or decrease the size of the image. Also, we have alt attribute. Alt describes about the image when the path is wrong or when the format is not supported by the browser. Okay, and the title attribute, whenever we mouse over on the element, it describes more information about the element. Not only image, we can use title attribute for other tags as well. So these are about image attribute. Okay, so if you want to know more about HTML tags and attributes, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.